Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Sephora Box unboxing. The last one that I did, I'll link that here. If you buy products for over a certain amount of money, you get a box for free. Last one was the skincare box. This one is the Black Friday box. So I hope there's a bit more makeup in here, because you know, with skincare, for example, there's only so much I can do, right? Like face cream, I just put that on. If there was makeup in here, maybe eyeshadow, which would be very nice. It would be very bad for my pen and palette challenge, but it would be nice for me, right? Eyeshadow, for example, you can use different techniques and different colors and different textures. This is actually a box. Last time it was a pouch, so let's see, where is my where are my scissors? I don't know. It was very easy for me to go over 100 because I bought Christmas presents for Black Friday. Yes, so you know, I don't have to worry about anything anymore. I got everything. That's good. Okay, so it's open now. Let's see what we have. Ooh, okay, ta-da! There's not that much in. I think the last box, okay, now the sun is absolutely setting down. I think the last box had 10 products or so. Yeah, we're gonna start with this. This looks like a sample size. It's weird because I could check some samples, but it was a surprise, and I didn't, like, the box that I got was huge. It's as big as my doorway. There were no samples in, so maybe this is the sample. But then again, it was in this box. I don't know, I don't get it. So this is the Shiseido Bio Performance Skin Filler. So we have the day cream and the night cream. That's what it looks like. They're both serums. Huh, okay, I will definitely try that out. I literally recently, well, 2 weeks ago, I bought a new serum. If I would have known that. Up next is the Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Primer. It's a 24-hour smoothing base. That's what that one looks like. Yeah, it's just a normal primer. Can I smell this? Oh, I probably can. Oh, very liquidy. It smells a bit like a cologne, but very faint. Okay, that smells good, and my skin feels super soft. Oh. The thing is, I don't use foundation, right? So I'm probably not the person who can give you an amazing review on these things. I will still use it, right? And I will try it out. But if you want the opinion of someone who actually puts foundation on top, or even just a tinted moisturizer, that's not me. But I will definitely try that out. So we have the Clarins, I don't know how you say it, Super Restorative Day Cream. Lifts, replumps, and targets wrinkles for all skin types. I mean, I can see through it, right? You probably can't, but it's halfway empty already. That's the thing with these samples. They might look big, but there's not that much in, so still, I will try it out. Oh! Okay, we got a KVD Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, Hyperlight Liquid Lipstick in Queen of Poisons. Now, I know that KVD has changed the names, because some of the names were actually a little, how should I say that? It was a bit much. So could this be that this is the new Lolita? Or Lolita 2? Actually, remember, I never really had a problem with the KVD lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks. Is there something else in for my lips? No. This could be the Lolita one, the OG Lolita. Let's see. I think this is it, yeah. Smells like vanilla. So obviously this is not a perfect application, but I think you can imagine what it looks like. I think this is Lolita. I've always loved that liquid lipstick. So this again, Queen of Poisons. So then we have again Shiseido. Oh god, I don't know how to say that. Ultimoon. I don't know. Power Infusing Concentrate. So it's again a serum, I think. Oh, I should have smelled the other one too. Wow, that is the smallest thing I've ever seen. What are we using this for? Power Infusing Concentrate, yeah, but for what? Just for my face? Do I just put it all over? I'm very confused. I'm literally very confused, because how am I supposed to use it? Whoa, that smells good though. Probably have to Google how to use that, because it doesn't say anything on the box. I also want to smell this. Oh, I can't, it's sealed. Okay. Do we like the lipstick? Yes, we do. Okay, the Professional by Benefit, the light primer. Another primer. Really? Like I barely used one primer, now I have two. I mean, the first one actually still feels good on my skin, so let's see how this is. Oh, there's a completely different texture. Do you see it? It's like a thick cream. This smells really good too. Actually, both feel the same. Again, if you want an actual opinion of someone who uses like foundation on top, go to them. Okay, the Benefit one is very drying. This still has like the other, which one was it? The Makeup Forever one. That still has a bit like a film on top, and the Benefit one's just absolutely dry. That's all I know. Okay, then the last product already is the Redken Color Extend Magnetics, the conditioner for color treated hair. I don't have colored hair. I was thinking maybe after Christmas I will get back into dyeing my hair. My goal was actually for this year to dye my hair much more than the years before, and I think I done my hair only like 4 times. Next year I will promise. This again is already like a third out. Yes, I'm putting conditioner onto my hair. It's just a smell. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells really good. This will probably have to wait until next year until I have dyed hair, but excited. So those are all the products. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 again. Although I mean they're all kind of sample sizes, so I think this was the sample that I got along with it. I don't know. I'm just really confused. Let me know if you want to see reviews of those things here. I'm still collecting all the other things that I got in the last Sephora box. Like I said, that was all skincare, and I don't really use that much skincare. Obviously, I use it every single day, twice, right, in the morning and in the evening, but I don't use a lot of product, right? I use a tiny bit of face cream, and then I put it on my face. And the eye cream, you don't need a lot. So that will probably take me longer to use up than, let's say, the Benefit primer, if that makes sense. Which one should I try out? Which one has more in? 5 milliliters? 3 milliliters. So I think I will probably try this one out tonight as soon as I apply makeup. Yeah, this one. I don't know what to do with this. I have to Google. The lipstick is also very nice. I think that's Lolita. Let me know. Like, the application is absolutely terrible, but the color, is it kiss proof? Well, let's check. Almost. Just a tiny bit around the edges, but I definitely applied too much. So let's see. Yeah, I would say it's 98% kiss proof. Okay, so let me know if you tried any of these products. I know these two are probably very famous in the beauty community, and the Lolita lipstick probably as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Do you think this box is worth it? It was like buy products over €100 and you get this for free. I don't know if they really, I mean, they're basically just, this is probably a full size. I think this is the only full size that we have, so I don't know. I mean, it kind of comes down to a Look Fantastic beauty box, right? Where you get not that many full sizes, but a lot of samples and do not sell, whatever. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and it's the next one.